young people in front of you are the members of the NJSO Youth Orchestra's string ensemble, led by Naomi YOUNGSTEIN, who is violinist with the NJSO, and they are going to perform for you some pieces that they have been working on this year.
Our ensembles have been lately invited to NJPAC, keeping things like in a family together. The audience can not only go see the NJSO main concert, but also smaller ensembles playing in the lobby with mini concerts. The idea is to keep the community engaged around the idea of an orchestra. That's the main energy of all this. We have the opportunity, for example, to open a concert with the Academy Youth Orchestra, playing in NJPAC with the entire NJSO, looking at them, at the audience, and very successfully. What I can see is real, raw enthusiasm. And it's hard to see nowadays, these young players so engaged in a common idea, whether it's the piece or the performance itself. It brings a lot of joy to everybody around them, and I'm sure that that comes from them, from the enthusiasm of achieving something that they did not expect.